gonna come in here with a chip. So good. Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy homemade salsa. I love salsa, particularly homemade salsas. My favorite kind usually is like a Pico de Gallo or salsa fresca, but also I like a classic restaurant style salsa as well. And today I'm going to show you how to do an easy Pico de Gallo or salsa fresca. Really easy to do, simple ingredients. If I can do it, you can do it. Before we move on, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my new videos. Let's get started. When it comes to salsa, usually you have the same basic ingredients. The amounts will vary depending on your tastes. I have some red tomatoes here, about 2 cups. Some onion, this is white onion, and I have about 1/2 cup of minced onion. Cilantro, I have roughly 1/3 to 1/2 cup of minced cilantro. These are all fresh ingredients. I have about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of lime juice, about 2 tablespoons worth of minced jalapeno. I'll be honest, I do not like hot, spicy salsa. I am a wimp when it comes to spicy foods, so I usually go very light on the jalapeno, but you can use whatever you like. And then we have our salt. This is about 1 teaspoon of salt and about 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. People don't always add the pepper, but these are kind of the same basic ingredients that you'll find in most salsas. My sister-in-law makes a fantastic salsa using canned tomatoes, and at some point I will get that recipe and make that for you here on my channel as well. But this is kind of what I do for mine. So we start off with our tomatoes, just put that in a large bowl. Our onion. This is not rocket science. We're just gonna mix all these ingredients together, guys. Cilantro, fresh garlic, jalapeno, lime juice, salt, pepper. And we'll just go in here with a spatula and we'll just give it a nice mix and get everything all mixed together. And that's basically it. Super easy. Super duper easy. And then you can come in and fine tune it by your taste. If you need a little more salt, add a little more salt. If it doesn't have enough kick for you, add in some more jalapenos. If it has too much kick, then you can come back in and add in some more tomato to even that out a little bit. I would be careful about going too heavy-handed with the salt because normally the chips that you eat your salsa with are going to be salty to begin with. There you go, a basic, easy salsa recipe. I'm going to come in here with a chip. So good. And just like that, the salsa is done. Really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. What's your favorite kind of salsa? Drop a comment down below and let me know. Is it pico? Is it salsa verde? Or is it more of a restaurant style, more smooth salsa? I'll make a note about that. If you want this to be more smooth like you'll get at the restaurant, just put all these ingredients in your food processor and it's ready to go, just like that. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. Oh yeah. I love fresh homemade salsa. Oh yeah. Yeah.